Inside a Nextech coding lab, a student is provided with instructional material, as well as a live computing environment where they can apply what they are learning. This particular lab is designed to teach the student data analysis skills using the Python programming language. Let's take a look. On the left-hand side, the student can navigate through their lab steps and follow along. Here, they are told to open the Jupyter Notebook on the right, so let's give that a go. Once the Jupyter Notebook loads, the student is provided with pre-created code they can use to get started. They can run this code using the Run button at the top of the screen or by pressing Shift-Enter. As the student progresses, they are presented with interactive tasks to complete. These tasks validate the student's work in real time to provide them with feedback and guide them on their path to mastery of a new skill. This is just one example of the many different subject areas Nextech offers courses for, which include computer programming, web development, and data science.